Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up like 60 feet, and then I want to turn. Okay, it's on video. Okay. Yeah.
Take off.
I gotta go way above those other cables. Look at that. And see that? I'm gonna go like 60 meters.
Yeah. Really
See, I'm way high.
Yeah.
Where is it right now?
I don't know. Just put your compass.
Just a minute there. I'm a little nervous there.
I know, I noticed that.
Yeah, well, which way is it going? It should go.
I don't know, I can't see it there, so it's too far. So.
It's because so I should be. Okay, that's why. It's the lake's over there. That's why. Okay, my signal is still good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to the map so I could see where I'm going on the map. There. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to the map. Okay. Okay. So I want to go way to. So I want to go about there. I hate being nervous like that.
Right, I'll take it on your reason, man.
Yeah, well. Okay, I think I'm going to go back to. Okay, now I could see. And my signal is good, so. At 2.3, I should be able to. There. See? So I'm at little over two. I'm at 2.1. And I'm gonna turn around.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna come back and go back towards the campground. how fast it's going, eh? Skip. Let's go skip. Close. Oh fudge! It stopped recording. Okay, just it's because it went to the
Okay, situation.
just video. Should be able to go. I can't see the time though. That's the. I'm trying to video. Why isn't it videotaping? Oh, there it is now. I think it was videotaping, but I'm still at 60 meters. I'm gonna go closer to the campground. Maybe I should just take some photos there.
Yeah.
At 1.1 kilometers, I'll be
Got 70-something% already.
yeah, 72.
Yeah.
That's good. I could. And then I'm gonna stop recording. And then I'm just gonna at 1.1, and then I'm gonna point towards the campground. So you could see stuff on the side there. Okay, I'm gonna put the compass. Yeah, I'm about 1.1. See? And then I'm gonna go higher. I'm gonna go higher, and I want to be able to see the campground, eh? And then I'm gonna back up. See? And then, see?
Oh yeah.
See? And then I'm going to stop it. I'm going to put it in photo mode.
That photo?
Yeah. I'm going to go as high as I can.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Yeah, that's okay. What I'm going to do is do a panel. I'm going to go.
360?
No, well, I'm going to do like just a panel by hand. Go like this.
You're at 62 there. So.
And I guess I could do a panel if I wanted. Okay, I think I'll do a panel and then I'll head back.
Yeah.
Where's my panel? Sphere.
Then you'll just say return to home.
Yeah.
You better off doing that.
Yes. The only thing is, I want to make sure that I'm the return to home. I'm high enough.
Yeah.
I want to be at 60, so I don't. Yeah. And I may take a photo towards here on the way back just to get a.
Because you're 57. So.
Yeah. Oh no, Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm only a kilometer away there,
Okay.
so I'm very careful when it comes to that. I don't. I think I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Okay, it's 66. 80, 90. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn that way, and I'm gonna take a panel of my own.
Okay, you gotta switch it around there.
Yeah, or just a panel of my own there. So I go photo. Okay. And I'll go, and I gotta go like this. Then I'm at 52%.
Yeah.
So where the hell? It's over there, right? That's why.
I guess you could go return to home.
I could, but I'm gonna see if I could get one of this of this
Or this one.
of the bay here where
Yeah.
the I think I'm going to the right spot. Eh?
C'est dur à dire, ta bouche pas bonne à souvenir.
No, I think I have to go. It's over there. Okay, okay. So I was going the right way. So that is the highway.
You're down to 40 something.
Yeah. Oh no, I'm not gonna fuck with it. Don't worry. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I don't want to get too close to this beach thing there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna sort of point down on it.
Yeah.
I'll get a little bit closer, maybe.
So make sure you're up.
Oh, I'm up 400 feet, so.
Okay. You're just gonna take a photo, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a photo of that. I'm gonna take a 48 photo too. 48 megapixel. Okay.
Return to home.
Yeah, I'm gonna go return to home sort of manually. I want to be on this side of the see, I know I'm above the hydro line. It's the hydro line that bugs me.
Oh, it's right there.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're too far there.
No. You see?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Well, just get back here.
Yeah. You
I
see?
don't want people. Where is it?
It's right above us.
Yeah, it's on the highway.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't. No, now it's okay. I'm lowering it, but I have to go more like this way.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Have to go down.
I'm only about 3 meters away, so.
Let's go down. Let's look down.
Well, I didn't really talk too much there, but
Well, all you do was that.
I was doing a shaking. I know. So, what do you think of that?
Oh, good. We can see it at home.
I'm gonna stop
Yeah.
the screen recording,
Yeah.
and then we'll have a quick look at